Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to edit your Squarespace website after publishing. Let's get straight into it. I'll be showing you this on the web version in a browser. First, open your browser and go to squarespace.com. Log in with your email and password. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, enter your 6-digit code when prompted. Once you're in, you'll land on your account dashboard. Next, click on the website you want to edit. If you manage multiple sites, select the right one from your dashboard. The thumbnail or title will be visible there. Click it, and the site will open up ready for editing. Now you need to navigate to the page you want to change. Look at the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a link called Pages. Click on that to open the Pages panel. This shows you a list of all your site pages. Find the page you want to edit and click on it. Once you've selected your page, look for the Edit button in the top left corner of the page. Click Edit. The page will enter edit mode, and you'll see the Fluid Engine editor become active. Now you can add, delete, and update any content on the page. To make your changes, click directly on any section, text, block, image, or other element you want to modify. You can click and drag sections to rearrange them, edit text by clicking on it, or replace images by clicking on them. If you want to add new content, click the plus button in the top left corner to add new sections or blocks. You can also hover over existing sections to add blocks between them. To adjust settings for any block, click the gear icon that appears when you select it. Once you've made all your changes, you need to save them. Click Done in the upper left corner. After you click Done, you'll see a Save button. Click that. Your changes will publish to the live site immediately. To exit edit mode, click Exit in the top left area. This takes you back to the main site view or your Pages panel. A couple of useful things to know: your changes go live right away after saving, so what you save is what visitors see. If you don't see your changes appear on the front end, try clearing your browser cache or opening the site in an incognito window. For major redesigns where you don't want visitors seeing work in progress, duplicate the page first, move the duplicate to the unlinked section while you work on it, then swap it with the original when you're ready to publish. And that's how to edit your Squarespace website after publishing. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.